Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Car Summit. Today we are replacing the cabin air filter on the 2020 to 22, not sure yet. So we are replacing the cabin air filter. So it's very, I think it's similar. It is similar to the WRX, but let me show you how to do it. Simple. Hey guys, I didn't show you the car. 2020 Forester. So sorry, I didn't. Just wanted to give you a quick look. It's a sport edition. Forester Sports. All right. Without further ado, let's custom it. All right, guys. So the easiest way to take out the cabin air filter, just open the glove compartment. Oh, let me empty it out. And don't forget to take out this little shock absorber thing. Push it back in. Now push this out like that, and then the cabin air filter come down. As you can see, some leaf got in here. Let's clean this up a little bit. The cabin air filter is right here, so all you have to do is grab your hand like this, like I'm doing, and pull out. There you go. See, very dirty. Definitely need a replacement. So let me show you. So this is the one we're using. Super cheap. I think those are like $20 or something. Just take it out of the box. Okay, here what it looks. This is what it's supposed to look like. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. Now, as you can see what they look like, very similar. Let's just go put it in. So you got the new one. All you have to do is install your new filter. Slide it in. Oh, I think I got it. No, I have it right. There you go. And then you swivel. Oh, hold on. Let's put this back where it belongs. Swivel the glove compartment back. It should lock itself. Now you pull this little shock absorber thing. Okay, hold on, there you go. Pull it and then attach it. That's it. Glove box is done. All right, open this up. Oh, it's right here. Open this up. Alright guys, for the air filter, so to make it easier, first, you probably don't need to do that, but I'm just gonna unplug it to make it easy so I can get access to it. Then you pop these two clips and then slide up, and you can hold on. There you go, hold on. You can, hold on, I got it. It's gonna come out. It's a little stuck. There you go. Alright, just hold it back like that and then it comes out. So here's the old one. As you can see, it needs replacement. Let me show you both of them side to side. So let me flip it. There you go. So new, old, new. There you go. Here's the new one. So you use this right here, basically the writing, to get the right side up. So pull this a little to the side, push it from back here. You can slide it in there and then set it properly. Some legs over here that this part sits on, some legs right here. Just line it up and then put it in. It's hard to show you. Let me see if I can show you real quick. There you go, it's in. Then pop those boys in, put the sensor back in. That's done. All right guys, the installation for the air filter and cabin filter are done in the car. So thank you for watching. Until the next time, like and subscribe right there. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, peace.